Get ready to take your pickup truck to the next level. Today, we're revealing 20 brand new pickup truck gadgets on Amazon that will transform your ride like never before. From smart tools that make every task easier to jaw-dropping accessories that boost style, comfort, and performance, this list has it all. Whether you're hitting rugged trails, hauling heavy loads, or just love tricking out your truck, these gadgets are game changers. Stay tuned. Some of these are so clever, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Number 1. Maxzina Retractable Ratchet Straps L-Track. Keep your cargo secure with the Maxzina retractable ratchet straps designed for L-Track systems. These heavy-duty straps retract neatly when not in use, reducing clutter in your truck bed. Made with durable polyester webbing and a smooth ratchet mechanism, they make securing gear fast and effortless. Perfect for hauling anything from bikes to lumber, these straps are strong, reliable, and built to last, giving you confidence that your load stays put no matter where the road takes you. Number 2. Xipoqix 150 Truck Bed Cargo Net. The Xipoqix Cargo Net is a versatile solution for keeping your pickup bed organized and your items in place. Designed specifically for F150 trucks, this net stretches to fit a variety of cargo, from groceries to sports gear. Its durable, elastic construction ensures that your belongings stay secure, even during sharp turns or off-road adventures. Easy to install and remove, it's a practical addition for anyone who wants a clutter-free, safe, and tidy truck bed. Number 3. WildFinder Pickup Truck Bed Tent 2 to 3 person. Transform your truck bed into a cozy campsite with the WildFinder Pickup Truck Bed Tent, perfect for 2 to 3 people. This durable, waterproof tent sets up quickly and offers protection from the elements, giving you a comfortable outdoor experience without a traditional tent footprint. Ventilation windows and storage pockets keep things organized and breathable, while the secure fit ensures stability on the road. Ideal for weekend getaways or extended adventures, it turns your truck into a mobile, weather-ready retreat. Number 4. Yzona Hitch Bed Extender Kayak Lumber. Maximize your truck's hauling capacity with the Yzona Hitch Bed Extender, ideal for transporting kayaks, lumber, or oversized items. This sturdy steel extender attaches easily to your hitch receiver, effectively extending your bed while keeping cargo secure. Adjustable and robust, it handles heavy loads without bending or wobbling. Whether you're hauling outdoor gear or construction materials, this extender is a must-have for anyone looking to expand their pickup's versatility and take on larger loads safely and confidently. Number 5. oEdRo F150 Underseat Storage Box. Keep your truck organized with the oEdRo F150 Underseat Storage Box, a practical solution for storing tools, gear, or emergency supplies. This sturdy, compact storage box fits perfectly under the rear seat, utilizing space that's usually wasted. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the lockable design provides security for valuable items. Easy to install and remove, it's perfect for keeping your truck tidy and your essentials within reach, whether you're on a work site, camping trip, or daily drive. Number 6. Heininger HitchMate Cargo Stabilizer Bar. The Heininger HitchMate Cargo Stabilizer Bar secures oversized loads that extend beyond your truck bed, preventing shifting or bouncing during transport. Its adjustable design fits a wide range of truck sizes and bed lengths, making it versatile and reliable. Durable steel construction ensures strength, while quick installation saves time. Perfect for hauling lumber, furniture, or equipment, this stabilizer bar keeps your cargo stable and your drive smooth, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring everything arrives safely at your destination. Number 7. CURT Forged Hitch Ball Mount 17,000 pounds. Tackle heavy towing with the CURT Forged Hitch Ball Mount, rated up to 17,000 pounds. Made from durable forged steel, it provides a secure connection between your truck and trailer, ensuring safety and reliability on long hauls. Precision craftsmanship allows a snug fit into your receiver, reducing wobble and enhancing control. Ideal for hauling trailers, campers, or equipment, this hitch ball mount combines strength, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential accessory for anyone serious about towing with confidence and safety. Number 8. Let's Go Aero Keyless Hitch Pin. Pin upgrade your towing setup with the Let's Go Aero Keyless Hitch Pin, designed for quick, secure, and tool-free hitch locking. This innovative pin eliminates the need for keys, using a simple push and lock mechanism that keeps your hitch accessories safe and snug. Made from durable corrosion-resistant materials, it withstands heavy use and harsh weather conditions. Perfect for trailers, cargo carriers, or bike racks. This keyless hitch pin provides convenience, security, and peace of mind for any truck owner looking for a smarter, faster solution. Number 9. Keeper Adjustable Cargo Bar, 40 to 70 inches. The Keeper Adjustable Cargo Bar is a versatile solution for keeping your truck bed or trailer organized. Its telescoping design adjusts from 40 inches to 70 inches, allowing you to secure loads of different sizes with ease. Made from heavy-duty steel with padded ends, it protects your cargo and prevents shifting while driving. Quick to install and remove, it's ideal for holding boxes, luggage, or tools in place. This simple yet effective tool keeps your gear secure, your truck bed tidy, and your mind worry-free. Number 10. DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera Solar. Enhance safety with the DoHonest Wireless Backup Camera, a solar-powered solution for trucks and trailers. This camera provides a clear, real-time view behind your vehicle, making reversing and parking safer than ever. Solar charging ensures continuous power without messy wiring, while the wireless setup keeps installation simple. Durable and weather-resistant, it performs in all conditions, from rain to snow. Perfect for pickup owners who tow trailers or haul large loads, this camera offers peace of mind, preventing accidents and giving you a complete view of what's behind your truck. Number 11. Tomioka Racing Low-Profile Service Ramps. Make maintenance easier with Tomioka Racing Low-Profile Service Ramps, designed to safely lift your truck for quick inspections or repairs. Their low-profile design allows for easy driving onto the ramps without scraping the vehicle, while heavy-duty steel construction ensures stability and durability. Perfect for oil changes, tire work, or underbody checks. These ramps provide a secure, convenient, and reliable solution for any truck owner who prefers DIY maintenance. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to store when not in use. Number 12. AVS Aeroskin Hood Protector, Colorado. Protect your truck's hood and front end with the AVS Aeroskin Hood Protector, specifically designed for the Colorado. Made from durable, aerodynamic materials, it deflects rocks, debris, and bugs, keeping your paint and windshield safe. Easy to install and remove, this hood protector adds a sleek, customized look to your truck while enhancing functionality. It's ideal for daily driving, road trips, and off-road adventures, providing both style and protection for your Colorado without compromising aerodynamics or performance. Number 13. Gator ETX Trifold Tonneau Cover F150. Secure your cargo and improve fuel efficiency with the Gator ETX Trifold Tonneau Cover, made for the F150. Its trifold design allows easy access to the truck bed, while the rugged panels protect your gear from weather and theft. Quick to install and fold, it's perfect for hauling tools, groceries, or sports equipment. The durable, water-resistant construction ensures long-lasting use, keeping your truck bed organized, protected, and stylish. It's a must-have accessory for F150 owners who want convenience and security in one package. Number 14. UnderCover SwingCase Storage Box F150. Maximize your F150 storage with the UnderCover SwingCase Storage Box, a convenient underseat solution for tools, gear, or personal items. Its swing-out design allows easy access without removing the box, while heavy-duty materials provide durability and security. Perfect for work, camping, or daily organization, it keeps your truck interior clutter-free and items protected. Easy to install and compatible with most F150 models, the SwingCase adds practicality and peace of mind for truck owners who want smart, accessible storage solutions. Number 15. ARIES AdvantEDGE Truck Bull Bar Tundra. Enhance your Tundra's front-end protection and aggressive style with the ARIES AdvantEDGE Truck Bull Bar. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a powder-coated finish, it safeguards your vehicle from debris, collisions, and off-road hazards. The sleek design complements your truck's rugged look while providing mounting points for lights or accessories. Easy to install and durable in all conditions, this bull bar is ideal for off-road enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to boost both the protection and aesthetics of their Tundra. Number 16. Nilight 60-inch Tailgate LED Light Bar. Upgrade your truck's visibility with the Nilight 60-inch Tailgate LED Light Bar, perfect for off-road adventures, nighttime work, or emergency situations. This waterproof and shock-resistant LED bar delivers bright, even illumination across the rear, improving safety and convenience. Easy to mount on the tailgate, it enhances visibility without obstructing the truck bed or cargo. With its durable design and energy-efficient lighting, this accessory is a practical and stylish upgrade for truck owners who need reliable rear lighting in all conditions. Number 17. Rugcel 13,500-pound electric truck winch tackle. Tough recovery situations with the Rugcel 13,500-pound electric truck winch, built for heavy-duty trucks and off-road adventures. With a powerful motor and durable steel cable, it effortlessly pulls vehicles, logs, or equipment out of tough spots. Easy to install and operate, the winch includes remote control functionality for safety and convenience. Perfect for off-roading, towing, or emergency situations, this winch ensures that your truck is prepared for any challenge while providing strength, reliability, and peace of mind on every adventure. Number 18. JOYTUTUS Pickup Truck Bed Bike Rack. Transport your bikes safely and conveniently with the JOYTUTUS Pickup Truck Bed Bike Rack. Its adjustable design fits most truck beds and secures bikes without scratching frames, making it ideal for weekend rides or outdoor adventures. Quick to install and remove, it provides a stable and reliable platform for one or multiple bikes. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, while its compact design keeps your truck bed organized. Perfect for cyclists who want an easy, secure way to carry bikes anywhere their truck goes. Number 19. Spurtar Tire Deflator with Gauge. Maintain perfect tire pressure on and off-road with the Spurtar Tire Deflator with Gauge. This handy tool allows you to quickly deflate tires to your desired pressure, improving traction and stability in sand, mud, or snow. Its built-in gauge provides accurate readings, while durable construction ensures reliable performance in harsh conditions. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have accessory for off-road enthusiasts, overlanders, or anyone who wants precise control over tire pressure to enhance safety, performance, and ride quality. Number 20. Skechers Heavy Duty Car Floor Mats Red. Protect your truck's interior with Skechers Heavy Duty Car floor mats in bold red. These durable mats resist dirt, water, mud, and wear, keeping your truck clean and stylish. Their custom fit ensures full coverage of footwells, while the non-slip backing keeps them in place during daily use. Easy to remove and clean, these mats are perfect for work trucks, off-road adventures, or everyday driving. Combining durability, functionality, and a splash of color, they're a simple yet effective way to upgrade your truck's interior protection. And there you have it, 20 new pickup truck gadgets on Amazon that can upgrade, protect, and transform your ride. Whether you're hauling, off-roading, or just customizing your truck, these gadgets are game changers. Which one will you add to your truck first? Let us know below.